Do you want to know how to stack your cash efficiently? Welcome to the world of efficient cash stacking. This powerful personal finance strategy can make your money work harder and smarter, offering potential benefits that could change your financial landscape. Stay tuned as we delve into the simple steps to make your money work harder for you. The first step to efficient cash stacking is budgeting. A clear budget steers your financial journey, mapping out your income and expenses. By tracking these, you can spot potential savings. Remember, a well-planned budget is a stepping stone to efficient cash stacking. Now that you have a budget, it's time to focus on saving. Setting aside a certain percentage of your income is crucial. Remember the principle of paying yourself first to underscore savings priority. The more you save, the bigger your cash stack grows. With savings in hand, the next step is investing. By placing your money into diverse investment avenues, you can grow your cash stack. Compound interest, which is interest on interest, can significantly accelerate this growth, making your money work harder. Remember, investing is the key to making your cash stack grow exponentially. The final step in efficient cash stacking is repetition. It's all about consistency. Regularly budgeting, saving, and investing is key. Remember, this isn't a one-time event, it's a continuous process. Consistency is the secret sauce to efficient cash stacking. So, are you ready to stack your cash efficiently? Remember, the path to financial freedom involves 4 straightforward steps: budgeting, saving, investing, and repeat. Efficient cash stacking is not just about having more money, it's about having more financial security and freedom. Start your journey today.